Hey guys and gals, we're here with Flying Pig Racing and we're going to show you how to make a $30 radio setup. Alright guys and gals, so you can choose to spend hundreds or even thousands on a good set of race radios. Today we're going to show you a $30 solution. So what we've done is we purchased a phone with a SIM card for $15, and then we've got some headphones with mics, 2 for $15. So in total, that is $30 spent on our race radio setup. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take out the phone, put in the SIM, get it charged up, put our headphones on, mount our phone in here, have the helmet, have someone with the phone, leave the phone on, use the mute buttons, and you effectively have a very efficient and clear communications for your race team. So we'll go ahead and get started. Yay! Plug in some headphones and give ourselves a call. Aha! Hello? Oh, I can hear you. Can you hear me? Oh, this is good. Alright, so that is proof of concept. We're going to go ahead and make a mount so that we are hands-free during racing. Alright guys and gals, so we've got our custom fabbed bracket for our race radio. And we'll go ahead and try out the entire system. Alright, so now we have our race radio. Here's my mic. We'll see if we can hear it or if I need to tuck it up inside. Doing our test. Phone is ringing. I hit hello. Oh, can you hear me? Fantastic. So I don't even have to tuck this mic up. That's perfect. Can you still hear me? That is our race radio working there. Alright, so our race radio is working. We've got the phone mounted here, the earpiece and everything, and mic tucked up inside. Car's on, everything's working well. And yep, $30 race radio. Alright guys and gals, thanks for watching this episode of Gearheadgirl Garage, and we'll catch you back for the next one. See ya.